Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing multiplication chapter. So today we will cover two topics. First is multiplying with 10, 20, 30 up to 90. And second topic is multiply by 100, 200, 300 up to 900. Okay, so let's start. So first I'll take how to multiply a number with 10, 20, 30 up to 90. So for that, first we will write tens table. I know you all know how to write tens table. You always enjoy to write tens table. It's very easy. So let's start. So 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 six are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90 and 10 tens are 100. So students, if you observe this table, what do you see? We just write ones table here, like 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2. This 0 we write afterward. Okay, here also 0 is on ones place. So here in all the numbers we write 0 on ones place, 0 at ones place. Okay, and with this 0 we are just writing ones table. See, 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4 and up to so on. 10 1 tens are 10 and with that 0. Okay, so this is the pattern. So next, if we continue this pattern, if in place of 10 I am taking here 20. So if I ask you 24, so you follow the same pattern. We have multiplied these two numbers and we have written this 0 at ones place. Similarly, we will multiply these two numbers only and we will write this 0 at ones place. So 2 fours are 8 with 0. 3 fives are 15 with this 0 here. 4 6 are 24, 0 at ones place. 5 sevens are 35, 0 at ones place. Means you can write any table till 90 without any calculation, without any cramming. You can write any table. Okay, I hope it is clear. So next I am taking how to multiply with 100, 200, 300 up to 900. So similarly, first we will write hundreds table. It's very easy, as you know, tens table. If you can write tens table, you can write hundreds table also. So 100 ones are 100, 100 twos are 200, 100 threes are 300, 100 fours are 400, 100 fives are 500, 100 six are 600, 100 sevens are 700, 100 eights are 800, 100 nines are 900, 100 tens are 1000. So again students, if you observe this table, again you are writing just ones table and you are putting these two zeros here in everywhere. So 1 twos are 2 with 2 zeros, 1 threes are 3 with 2 zeros, because here now we have 2 zeros. So similarly, if we have 3 zeros, we will write here 3 zeros. If we have here 4 zeros, we will write here everywhere 4 zeros. So this is hundreds table. Now next point is how to multiply with 200, 300, 400 till 900 with any number. Okay, suppose I am taking 200. I am taking these same numbers. Here I have multiplied 4 with 20. Here I am multiplying 4 with 200. Okay, so concept is same, pattern is same. Here also we were multiplying 2 fours are, here also 2 fours are 8. Now how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So 2 zeros with this. We will follow this pattern, that if we have 2 zeros in multiplication, in factor, in answer also we write 2 zeros. So similarly we are following same pattern. 3 5s are 15 with 2 zeros. 4 6 are 24 with 2 zeros. 5 7s are 35 with 2 zeros. So I have taken some numbers randomly. You can multiply with any number and check your answer. Okay, so it's very interesting. I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.